CRT, cathode ray tube, which will be acting as a display device in the modern, in all types of modern aircraft system. So, what are the versatility and performance advantages of CRT compared to other electromechanical indicators, which will be flexible one? Okay, so here the CRT display have a contemporary cockpit, will be acting as a contemporary cockpit, one of the piece of contemporary cockpit, and strong selling point for the aircraft. Okay, so here the CRT will play important part in the cockpit for as a display device, and here it will be completely overshadow on using the traditional electromechanical indicators. Okay, so it will be overcoming the performance occurred in the electromechanical indicators. So you can imagine the designer can design the CRT with a display generator, and then reliability of CRT is in every application, that is the aircraft application will be excellent. And then um, requirements and minimal maintenance are required for the CRT, and then the failure is rarely possible. Okay, failure is maximum avoided here. Failure of using CRT. Okay, here no need of watching any watchmaker to repair the device, CRT device. But in electromechanical indicator, their watchmaker skill have to be done. Okay, to repair your indicator. Here, the maintenance personnel who service the rest of the digital avionics can readily service the CRT device. So the maintenance personnel means the who is managing the all electronic system in the avionics. Okay, he will be servicing the CRT if fails to work. Okay, and then CRT active display, that is emitting light rather than simply reflecting ambient light. Provisions must be made to dim the CRT during night flying. So CRT is very compact, working during the night time also. So it is dark adaptability of the eye, display that are comfortably bright in full sunlight also. Okay, in sunlight as well as in the dark light, it is very compact to work. Mm, and then monochrome display. What is monochrome display? What is monochrome? Monochrome means single color will be used for displaying. Okay, so in that type, this will be monochrome display will be used in the military aircraft system cockpits. Okay, in the cockpit only you will be using display device. uh, it is well suited for fighter aircraft for its ruggedness and brightness. Okay, it can be able to handle 500 to 300 3000 foot handles. It will be operated in the range 23 kilovolt